Crypto trading strategies. In this presentation, we'll explore some effective crypto trading strategies, including swing trading, scalping, and hodling, to help you make informed decisions. Swing trading, riding the waves. Volatility advantage. Crypto's volatile nature is perfect for swing traders to exploit short-term price swings. Less stressful. Unlike day trading, you don't need constant monitoring, allowing for a more balanced approach. Fewer trades, bigger profits. Swing trading aims for larger price swings, minimizing trading fees and effort. Unlocking swing trading success. First is identify the trend using moving averages, like the 50-day and 200-day. Second is locate entry and exit points using support resistance levels, RSI, and Fibonacci retracement. Third is implement risk management strategies, including stop-loss orders and a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. Swing trading in action, Bitcoin example. BTC, USDT. Bitcoin is in an uptrend with the 50-day MA above the 200-day MA. Entry point, BTC price pulls back to $42,000, a support level with RSI at 35 and Fibonacci showing 38.2% retracement. Risk and reward, stop loss set at $40,500, profit target at $48,000, resulting in a potential 14% profit. Explore alternative strategies. Scalping, if you prefer multiple small trades daily. Hodling, if you believe in crypto's long-term growth. Grid trading, if you want an automated, emotion-free approach. News-based, if you follow major events impacting the market. Important considerations, thorough research and understanding of the market are essential. Always manage your risk effectively and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and potentially boost returns. Patience is key in trading. Don't expect overnight riches. Staying ahead of the game. First is stay updated on market trends and news. Second is continuously refine your trading strategies. Third is consider using advanced tools and resources. Fourth is never stop learning and adapting. Your crypto trading journey begins now. Remember, success in crypto trading requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Embrace the journey and make informed decisions.